How's it going, guys? Andy around here with Pure Plumbing and Air, and I'm here to show you today what a two-stage filtration system looks like. So our two-stage filtration system is something similar to this. We've got a sand, sediment, and iron filter here, which filters any type of solids in the water. And our second stage here is a activated carbon charcoal filtration cartridge, right? So with this system, you're gonna have to change the filters at least about once a year, depending on your water supply. But most of the water here is city supplied, so once a year is good enough. We have gauges up here to show you exactly what the pressure is in the system. So it's good for a couple of reasons. It lets you know if your pressure is too high or if your system is pressurized while you're trying to change the filters. We do things a specific way here at Pure Plumbing and Air to make sure that you get quality on every single install. So a couple of things we do is we want to make sure that we have a shutoff valve where you can isolate the system to your house all in one. We want to make sure you have a pressure reducing valve to reduce the pressure coming into your house if needed, to make sure that your parts inside your house, including your filtration system, don't unexpectedly break. Number three, we're gonna build an isolation system for this, a bypass. Typically, some people do this, some people don't. We like to do it because it's easy to service and easy to bypass in case of an emergency. If we do need to service this system, we're gonna shut this valve off, we're gonna shut this valve off, we're gonna open this valve up, and that's gonna allow the water to bypass the system and go around as we're doing filter changes or when you're waiting for a plumber to come service the unit. Now, if your plumber is servicing the unit, you can isolate these two valves here, maybe open this one here, shut this one off, and you can open up this valve, and that's gonna allow water to drain out of the system. Your gauge is gonna go ahead and show that, indicating that your system is ready to, you're ready to change the filters on it. So we're gonna close that up, close this down again. And as you can see, this is our filtration system setup. If you guys have any questions or you're interested in the setup, you can be sure and you can always call Pure.